What's going on? This is the Junk Car Lady here with another video on junking your car for cash. How you cash for cars, cash for junk cars. All right, and we're here out in Raleigh today, and I'm going to show you guys today. We have a 2007 Honda Civic two-door vehicle that we're doing here. So let me turn you around. Okay, and you see this one here is a little banged up in the front. Okay, out here in North Raleigh. All right, you guys know that we cover Raleigh, Cary, Wake Forest, you know, all the surrounding areas of Raleigh. Okay, and so what we do is we come out and we just kind of check around, just a quick walk around the video. This particular vehicle right here, the person said that the transmission went out because it's automatic. All right, I actually drive a stick, but this one's automatic, so sucks for you guys who have the automatics, right? We walk around and just kind of verify what they told us. And in this case, they told us about the headlight. Fine. All right. And interior, all we're doing on the interior is we're just looking to see if there's any, like airbags, deployed. That's pretty much it. We don't care about seats being dirty and all that stuff. Don't even worry about it. Don't worry about it. And then we check underneath. I just kind of let you guys look underneath a little bit. You could only see it a little bit, but what we're checking for underneath is, we're checking to make sure that the exhaust parts are there. Now we do pop the hood on it, and I'll kind of pop this one again. I already did our walk around, but I'm gonna pop the hood on this one again for you guys. We do pop the hood when it doesn't start, and the reason being because we want to make sure that all the parts are there. Because if it doesn't start, we don't know if all the parts are there unless we look. And of course, I'm trying to pop the hood with one hand. There we go. All right, and we look underneath, and we're just looking to see that all the parts are there. Everything looks connected. Nothing's hanging off. Got the a cat right there as well. Got the battery. All right. So everything is complete. It doesn't matter if the engine's bad. It doesn't matter if it's dirty underneath. None of that matters. None of that matters. All right. So look, guys, if you have a vehicle, like I said, in this case, it's a two-door Honda Civic, but it doesn't matter what type of Honda you got. Toyota, Chevrolet, Ford, it doesn't matter the year, make, and model. If you have a vehicle in Raleigh or the nearby cities, like Wake Forest, Cary, even parts of Durham, even parts of Chapel Hill, we cover that. And we also offer the free towing as well. So you get paid cash on the spot with the free towing. And this process right here, literally that walk around was literally the walk around, right? And then we just had, we have you guys fill out our bill of sale, all right? And we put some cash in your hand and you're gone about your business. You're good to go, all right? So guys, thumbs up, subscribe to the video. If you want to see more videos like this and even videos on other content, we got them coming for you. Put down in the comments, let us know where you guys are tuning in from. We like to know where our subscribers and everything is tuning in from. And definitely the first link in the description, you can get a freebie on us. We give you some tips on how to avoid being taken care of, being taken advantage of by a mechanic, right? You can put that down in the comments. You can check out that link. And if you do need a quote on your vehicle, quote is free. And right now we're actually giving out a free gift. Even when you get a quote, even if you decide not to sell us the car, get a free gift, all right, just for getting a quote at thejunkcarlady.com, all right? Or you can give us a call, 919-228-8610, or text us at 919-228-8610.